down here in San Diego Bay for the Manifest kayak session. Never been down here. It's just definitely not in a kayak too. So we're all rigged up. I'm a few minutes behind, so we got some of the guys out here already. But let's go see if I can get on some fish in the kayak. Pretty stoked. The setup's finally pretty dialed, so let's get on them. Shoo! Pop those puppies in. Release your rudder. And we're off. Pretty amped. Just saw a couple fish bust out here, so just gonna go toss us down there. Super slow retrieve. Bunch of grass out here. This is probably such a good spot. I assume that's the whole bay. I'm just uneducated on this. Oh, there we go. Biter. Oh, come on. Dude, they're munching this thing down there. Oh. Slow retrieve, let it drop. I'm getting bit. Hit the bottom, retrieve it. Missed a few bites so far, so. Hit the bottom, boom. Super slow retrieve, just to get it above the grass, I'd assume. God, dude, why do I keep losing fish? That's 3 good hookups, and I'm lost. Ain't got a single one to say for it. Come on. There we go. Good one. Good one. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. What do I got? Ooh, first spot in the yak. Let's go, baby. Ate that goby. He's a small one, but it's a first for me, so I don't really care. On that Ritual Angling Ray setup, dude, bummer they don't make these rods anymore. They're so sick. Put the rod. All right. On that Mega Bass Goby, this thing's getting chewed. Look at this guy. All right, just got that first little spotty. He was about 11 or 12, but setup crushed it, and it was on the Mega Bass Goby. This thing's getting chewed. This is like my fifth bite. Half ounce. I have no idea what color this is, but you can see it, and it's getting munched. So but yeah, that bass was somewhere around 11 or 12. Get back out there, see if I can't get another bite. I think I got a little thing going for me. Pretty much just casting it out just as you'd normally catch them. Let it drop. As soon as it kind of hits bottom, you feel the weeds, you just drag it through nice and slow. So we'll see if I can't get another one. It was literally like, not back-to-back cast, but like, I'm getting bit, so they're there. We're just not letting them eat it. Getting too amped up to be out here fishing. That's all. I'm freaking amped. I hate seals. And one just popped up right over there looking right at me. I'm out. Peace out. Peace out, seal. Not your homie. Don't want to be. They're just scary. I mean, they're freaking literal lions of the ocean. Biter! Yeah! This one feels a little better. Woo! Come on, keep it in. There we go, baby. Same size. Probably the same fish. Come on, get in the boat, get in the boat. All right, let's see what we got here. Well, 13-incher or so. Oh, sick. No. Shoo! Shoo! Another one. This thing's getting smoked, dude. Come here. Dude. If these things would open their mouths, they would get back in the water so much faster. Open your mouth. There's another one. These things are like all 11, 12. That last one was maybe pushing 13. All right, I have now 3 fish on deck, and this was a brand new rod. I forgot to peel it off after the first one. We're gonna do the honors here. And yes, this is going in my backpack. I'm not not littering in the ocean, don't worry. Grab this. Ooh, fresh cork right there. Come on. Can't beat that. What do we think? Hang on, let me put this trash in a zip-up pocket before I litter into the ocean and pollute the fish that I'm having fun catching. Ooh, another little spotty. Looks like we're in the nursery today. Bunch of nursery-sized fish. Come on, get in there. What do we got? 12? We got a 12-incher. Let me grab this puppy real quick. Look what you did. You're in. How do I get you out of there? Oh, here. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. All right. We found the nursery. All right, just clipped on a Manifest Money Grub, I think it is. It's like 3 or 3.5 inches. And a Goalie Jigs. I think this should be a quarter or half. This might be a half ounce. I don't know. Anyway, that's the setup. Let's see if this gets me some bites. Cast it out, let it hit the bottom, and then just do a nice slow retrieve through the weeds. Pretty much just dragging it through the grass. Let it sink. Biter. First cast with the setup. Woo! I don't know what I have. Is this a little halibut? Oh no. Saw a little spotty. This might be my best one today. I think that's my best spotty. Damn, these suckers got some teeth. He's barely hooked. There we go. Chewed the Manifest. There we go. 14er. Ooh, got another mini. Look at this guy. Look at that. This guy's like tiny. See ya. The bite slowed down a lot. So, happy with a little biter right there. Alright, setup's crushing it today. Once again, this is the Mega Bass Goby. I don't know exactly what they call it, or the color. But this is the half ounce, and I've landed 6, and I've lost numerous others, and this thing's getting chewed, and it's still like pretty much perfectly fine to fish. I mean, there's a couple rips and tears in it, but it's holding on. So this is obviously a killer little bait. I mean, it's just crushing it out here. Let's see if I can't get one for you in this little quick clip. Cast it out, let it sink down. That's a wrap on the session in San Diego Bay. Some good fish in there. I'll definitely be back. Thanks for watching. Shoo!